Hey everyone, Mike Sherry back with SherryVans.com, and we are the home of the better than factory direct pricing on mobility vehicles. And oftentimes we get asked the question, well, how do you do better than what the factory does on pricing? Well, not only are we partnered with the factory to offer you the very best price in the nation, we also offer a couple benefits, one of which is financing. We have nationwide financing on these vans, of which the factory generally does not provide. We have partnered with national banks, big banks such as Ally, Chrysler Capital, Huntington Bank, Park National Bank, to be able to offer you these vans at payment options that are super great payments, super low interest rates on these particular vans. So I'm going to show you a little bit of this van behind me and just give you an idea of what we're looking at. So this here is an all-new 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan with the ATS rear entry conversion here. Has a nice long 90-inch wheelchair channel in here, 34 inches wide, room for 2 wheelchairs on this. It does come with a warranty on all the wheelchair conversion, which is 3 years, unlimited miles. It does have a 34-inch wide ramp here. The bottleneck on this channel here is the ramp catch here, which is a safety factor. If this vehicle would happen to get rear-ended, it's going to keep that ramp nice in place. This is just under 33 inches from here to here for your measurements. The ramp is powder coated, has a weight under 7 pounds because it's assisted by 2 steel shocks. The ramp is secured in place and prohibited from rattling by these clamps right here to keep this ramp nice and in place. Easy to do. Again, the ramp is powder coated, so it's going to be protected from the elements. Here on the bumper, it is actually ceramic coated, which is even stronger coating there. Brand new van comes with the full factory warranty, 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty offered by Chrysler, and the 3-year, 36,000 mile full complete warranty on, all the other stuff, air conditioning, power windows, that kind of stuff. Overall, super clean van, very comfortable. Seats 4 plus your wheelchairs. For more information, feel free to contact us. I'll post links below. We do offer nationwide shipping and financing, as I mentioned earlier in the video. My name is Michael Sherry, and we hope that you find these vans useful and maybe you can put them to work in your life.